Hi, this is the OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to sound and vibration. Here you will see silent mode switcher, vibration and ring on silent mode switchers. You could turn on and turn off all of the options by use the switchers. We could turn on and turn off also the don't disturb mode, to set the schedule, and to allow messages, calls, and notifications from many people's apps. Here we got media, ring notification, and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes, push and hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these blue dots. Here we got a ringtone and notification sounds. We could just change them if you want. To use real sound technology to activate some haptics on tones, to use system haptics to activate and turn on the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, screenshot sound, deletion sounds, touch sound by use all of the switchers. Let's go back. Here to click to more section. In more section we got volume button function, so now we have selected the medias, and with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the media. We could also use here the ringtone to change the ringtone with the help of the volume buttons, and we could also switch the default device option from auto select to use peripheral device and to use the in-ear monitoring option. Let's go back, and here also this is the more section. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.